Hello people, welcome back to my channel. This is Apoorva. I am your dietitian. Today's video is all about quick advantages of home cooked food. So watch this video till end to know all about it. Nowadays, due to the availability of junk food or unhealthy food, just with a click on your phone is a great disadvantage. If you ask people the reason of choosing outside food, the common answer you get is convenience and time. But real answer is they have never taken time to understand the benefits of home cooked food. Research has shown that eating home cooked is linked to a happy and healthier life among other benefits too. So here I have listed 10 quick benefits of home cooked foods. So while let's get in. Firstly, you can control what you eat. You will be able to avoid overeating. Quality food can be eaten. Nutrition is well maintained. Hygiene and food safety will be in our control. You will explore many foods and know about it. Processed foods and hidden sugars can be reduced. You can cook what makes you happy. Saves time. Costs can be controlled too. So, prefer home cooked over outside food. Though the food you eat out seems to be healthy, but there may be many hidden calories, sugars and fat in it. So, choose healthy, cook home food, stay healthy. Do like, share and subscribe my channel Apoorva Dietitian in YouTube. I'll come with another interesting video next week. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.